Hello everyone, good morning. Today we're gonna have a question and answer with my mommy. First question is introduction yourself, name, age, hobbies, relationship. For me, my name is Francis Elijah Pichado, and my age is 13 years old. I'm 13 years old, and my hobbies is playing piano, and also one thing is going outside, sometimes playing outside with my scooter. That's all my hobbies. Yeah, and I'm with my mommy.
What's the name of your mommy?
Francis Cindy Galan Pichado.
Second question. What are the ways that you do to spend time together?
What we do is playing outside, sometimes going fishing, or sometimes going biking if we have time.
Yeah, during our free time, we will go to the park, and sometimes we will go camping, then
That's right.
fishing, then spend time together with the whole family, with Daddy. Yeah. Third question. Then, how do you help your children if they have problem?
Helping them, like if they have problem, like they ask you to wash the dishes, I'm going to do what they ask for, like washing the dishes.
Okay, you will do the
yeah,
so that your parents will be happy. And then for me, how do I help if Elijah has a problem? We will talk to him, we will ask him, and we will try to comfort him, and we're asking him what his problem and what makes him sad. Right, Elijah?
Yeah, that's right.
Then the next question. How do you handle conflicts within the family as a child and parent? We will talk together every time we have a misunderstanding, not listening to his mom and dad, then we will talk to him.
Mine is, if I do mistake, I will say sorry to my daddy or something. That one, I will say sorry to my dad if my daddy is angry or what I have done mistake.
Okay. Then last question. What's your message to your parent to strengthen your relationship?
I love you, mom and daddy. Thank you so much for loving me, and thank you for loving me always.
Okay. So what's your message to your children to strengthen your relationship? So my message to Elijah is to always listen to his parents, because what we want for him is only good for him, and only the best for him. And also, I pray that Elijah will grow up a responsible man, responsible person, and responsible citizen. And I pray that he will always pray to God, and he will not forget to praise and worship every day. That's what we keep on advising him.
Yeah.
And
thank you so much for listening, and God bless everyone. Bye. Bye. Bye.